Welcome to Anvil of Dawn. This is one of the last 2D dungeon crawler games like Lands of Lore or Stone Keep before they all went to just pure 3D, like Lands of Lore 2 or pretty much any of the ones after that. This is by Dreamforge Entertainment and New World Computing. Dreamforge Entertainment was actually responsible for a lot of games in the 90s, like both Ravenloft games and Sanitarium. If you haven't played Sanitarium, you probably should, because it's pretty crazy. No pun intended. You can choose from one of 5 characters. The story differs slightly depending on who you choose, and you get an entirely new ending. This is Ian Mirth. He is of course, the magic user. You can see all of this, most of his stats are weighted into magic here. Oops. The heck? Oh, I see. And this is Foxwind. She's kind of the agile rogue type. And of course, this guy's the big hulking warrior dude. He's got pretty much no magic ability, and he's pretty slow. And you've got the Amazon warrioress here, Nalu, who is strong, fast, but also has no magic ability, and not as much stamina as Bryce here. And of course, you've got Dagonoth here, which is a swamp merc, and it has. Yeah, I'm saying it because I have absolutely no idea if it's a guy or a girl. Probably doesn't matter. As the most balanced stats out of all the characters in the game. And as you can see here, you can just edit your stats how you want. So you could choose any of the 5 characters, just play them how you want, and it doesn't matter. But I think I'm going to choose, I like Dagonoth. Oops. There's a knock at the door, but oh, there's a chest. It's a healing potion and a magic restore potion. Well, let's look at the screen first. This is our inventory right here. That's how we examine stuff. We just drag it over here, look at it. Heals 5d10 damage, and if we want to use it, we put it over these hands. And we don't have any magic yet, but here's our stats. Okay, you see we're all balanced out. And as you attack with magic or weapons, you get experience. And we're not carrying much. And we got our journal. Settings and the map. As was common to most Dreamforge games, most Dreamforge role-playing games at this time, the map saves between playthroughs. But I'm going to turn that off. Hey, who's this kid? Apparently we overslept. We were supposed to go out with a band of heroes to stop the great evil, but we missed him. Okay, we have to go speak to the court magician and the armorer. You've slept well into midday. Morning has passed. I like his pissed off face here. Oh man, we're last. Wiglaf. Alright, let's go. Okay, they're blocking off most of the areas of the castle. So there's only it's a pretty linear path down to where we need to go. And that's the court magician right there. Shang-Ruk. Alright. What? No. Oh, you fool. I love that face palm there. Just, oh god. No. Ah, Dagonoth's got it. Good. And we got a second spell of our choosing. I like choosing water because it can freeze enemies, and you can fight them when it's easier to fight a lot of enemies when they're frozen. And you'll just get all the rest of the spells pretty soon anyways, so. Yeah, we're done here. Let's go downstairs and talk to the blacksmith. Oops. Hello. I'm gonna pick a hacking weapon. A battle axe. Heck yeah. He only lets you pick one weapon, so. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get out of here and talk to the guy. Get to our first dungeon. There he is. Old one, I mean, Master Azariah. Was fated to sleep in.